Yes. Thirty-sixth District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no smoking, no gum chewing, no driving, no drinking, no riding any vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Also, there will be no laying down or lounging. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Walls, you can unmute yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Sandy, you ready? Okay. This is the matter of the people versus Tiffany Walls. This is ticket number SP 150586011. One count of improper plates. This is the date and time set for review today. Ms. Walls, can you please state your name for the record?
Tiffany Walls.
All right. Ms. Walls, I am in receipt of your compliance with the community service that I asked you to do in lieu of cost and fines. So the court finds that you have completed this task, and it's going to close this matter out. Ma'am, there is a $45 reinstatement fee I can't waive. You're going to have to pay. Okay. There's nothing I can do about that, but you're all set on the other end. Ma'am, did you find employment?
I did not, unfortunately.
Okay. I'm gonna get you. Can you take down the number real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, Miss?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Call 313-922-2440. This is through the city of Detroit, and they can help you try and find jobs. We have a program and a partnership with them, but call them and tell them that you had a court matter, but you resolved it, but you still need some help finding a job. And hopefully they can give you at least some guidance and some help, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're so very welcome, Ms. Walls. Okay, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing for today.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
I will. Bye-bye. You want to keep talking to folks? Or you want me to bring a couple of people out with Ms. Perkins more?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready. Alicia Ward, W-A-R-D.
Okay, you ready on her? You ready on
Yes.
anyone else?
Also ready on Devontae Westbury.
Okay,
Also Marquita Womack. And what you said the officer did check in on Aisha Waters.
Yes.
yes.
Okay, then that's a plea as well.
Okay. And then I tried to send you a note about Mr. Sylvester Wright's case. One of the officers here on one of his tickets. The other tickets officers did not appear, but at least one of the officers is present. All right, we can pull out these first group of people though and get them on your way. Water.
Yeah, Coach Honor.
The officer showed up on your ticket.
Waters, you're at work right now?
Okay, I heard you. Yes, ma'am, I'm at work.
I'm gonna do your matter first, and so we can get you back on your job, okay?
Okay.
I see you're ready, Miss Sandy. This is the matter of the people versus Aisha Walters. This is improper transportation of a firearm, U-Ticket 594702221. Appearances for the record, today is the date and time set for a bench trial.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of Ms. Waters. Would you state your name, please, Ms. Waters?
Aisha Waters.
Ms. Waters,
Aisha Waters.
And the officer who is present here today, please, officer, can you please state your name for the record?
Officer Eisen.
And, okay, thank you.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead, Ms. Attorney Perkins Moore.
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail herself of the recommendation and tender a plea pursuant to a delayed sentence for 12 months, wherein this violation will be erased from her record once upon payment of fines and costs. And if the court is inclined to shorten the 12-month period, she will plead guilty to a delayed sentence. Is that correct, Ms. Waters?
Yes.
Okay, if so, Ms. Waters, can you please, you also know that you have to attend the handgun intervention program as a part of that, but you'll have enough time to do it because it's a 12-month delay.
Would that, I'll have to attend it, or would it be online or anything?
Online.
A lot of it is online right now, yeah.
Will it interfere with me, with my work schedule?
Hopefully not. Usually it's on a Saturday. Honestly, I know in the past it has been on Saturday. But I mean, if you know, if you don't want to, that's part of the agreement. I think is the handgun intervention and the 12-month delay sentence. And then I'll assess the fine.
Okay.
Okay? You want to take advantage of that today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. And you said because
You got a question before I did?
you said this will, it won't be on my record, will it?
After 12 months, it won't.
Right.
Right.
Do I explain the delayed sentence to you?
So as long as you pick up no new tickets for 12 months, like of this caliber or this kind, then after that 1-year period, then you will have this dismissed off the record.
20 Mr. Metry, can you hear me?
Okay?
Because by me being like, you know, in the medical field, like when they run my background check, that's what I'm saying. Like, would it show up by me being a nurse assistant? That's what I'm asking.
Right now?
Don't she do what she's supposed to do? Keep control. No, it shouldn't show up.
Right, it shouldn't show up. It shouldn't show up right now. And then once the 12 months comes, it'll be dismissed off of it. Off of the record.
Okay.
So, 12 months later, and you can probably treat it.
Oh, that's something the child.
No, this is something that Alexis Sniper,
Okay. How old is that ticket?
2021, is at the beginning of last year, 29.
If she takes,
And then you have-
you got a question, you take it within 30 minutes.
Judge,
All right, yes.
may I step away for about 10 seconds? My dog,
Because I'm actually talking to the prosecutor right now, Ms. Waters, and I'm trying to see if I can do something a little better for you. Hold tight.
Oh, no. Yes, ma'am. I heard you. I'm not saying that.
I know it wasn't you. I'm just letting you know what's going on, okay? Just hold tight, okay?
Okay, yes, I'm gonna sit here. Please help me. Yeah, the officer showed up. The officer. He showed up last time. No. I don't know. Ticket anyway, though. Year that'll be, for the year that'll be, for this year for next year. That 12 months. Yeah, 12 months. That'll be all right. That's I gotta be on it, whatever.
Officer Eisen? I'm
Yes,
gonna
ma'am.
a chat real quick, okay?
I'm sorry?
I'm going to send you a chat message. Are you able to chat or no?
Believe I am, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't know this, but she's talking now. She said it'll probably be on Saturday.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Just put yourself on mute. I'm handling other matters, but as soon as I finish them, we'll do yours. I know. I'm just using different forms.
You want to type it back or?
You have two screens. And this, I can't touch it because normally you can, but it's not one of the ones that I can do. So this is mine, but this is the state's. I will dismiss mine if they plead to something to the state. Or the judge can say she would dismiss the state and plead to mine. So if you don't want to get the offer from. So it's under the memorandum, you can do it. So you want me to write it that way then? Okay.
Like insurance and stuff like that.
It is one proof of insurance and no plates on a trailer.
Oh. All right, excellent.
Is Officer Buffington here?
Huh?
Is Officer Buffington here?
Not that I know of. No.
Randy, did you make it back yet? All right, thank you. Recalling the matter of the people versus Aisha Walters. This is U ticket 594-70221. One count of improper transportation of firearms. Appearances for the record once again, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Ms. Waters.
Ms. Waters, can you state your name for the record? You gotta unmute yourself, ma'am.
Aisha Waters.
Okay. And officer, can you just say your name one more time for the record?
Officer Eisner, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Ms. Waters, the city attorney actually came in here while this was on the record. And because this ticket was 1/29/2021, which was almost a year ago, here's what they're willing to do. You need to participate in the handgun intervention program. I believe it's online. You have 30 days to do so. So that's until February the 22nd. If you complete that program and sign back in showing that you completed that program, this case will be dismissed.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes, okay.
Okay?
What,
So you need to, 2/22/22 is gonna be your next court date. It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. for a review. I am gonna have to take a factual basis, but that's the offer that's given to you. Do you want to take advantage of that today?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Waters, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Waters, I'm going to take you back to the date of January the 29th of 2021. Were you in the area of 3500 Collins Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And were you stopped by a police officer, or did a police officer approach you in that area?
yes,
And did you have a firearm in that vehicle?
yes.
And was it being transported illegally at that time, or did you not transport it properly?
Yeah, it was at that time.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Perkins Moore?
Satisfied.
The court is satisfied as well if you accept the plea to one count of transporting improper transportation of a firearm. Okay, Ms. Waters, I am gonna assess a fine today. It's $200. You gonna be able to pay that in 30 days as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to sign up for the course. I believe you can find it on 36th District Court website. Or no? Okay, I'm gonna give you a number to contact. You gotta contact probation. They'll tell you how to sign up for the program online. And then you'll be able to do it online and take care of it. It's usually like about 4 hours, I think, okay? So you're gonna have to find 4 hours. I think you'll be able to handle that, okay? The
Okay.
number is 313
Uh-huh.
965
Uh-huh.
3414.
Okay.
Call them, tell
965-3414.
them- Yep, yes.
Okay.
Tell them you need to take the hand intervention program, and they'll give you some references so that you can be able to take it. We're gonna have a review date on 2/22/22. As long as you completed that task, and as long as you pay the $200, this case will be dismissed.
Okay. Do I give them like a ticket number or my case number or anything? Just give them my
If you want
name?
to, I'll give it to you just in case. It's U
Uh-huh.
594-70221.
Okay, I got it.
All right. If there's nothing
Okay.
further, we'll see you back on February the 22nd, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. Have a blessed one.
You too, thank you, and thank you so much, officer. You be safe in the streets, please.
Yes, ma'am, you as well.
All right,
Bye. Jesus, yes,
All Urgent. Alicia Ward.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Ward. Can you hear us okay?
Turn it one more time and see if animal control.
You gotta unmute yourself. I don't know why I went back on mute. Can you hear us okay, ma'am?
Yes, can you hear me?
Okay, I can. All right. This is the matter of the people versus Alicia Ward. This is V ticket 121822. One count of fail to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog off owner's property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, the date set for trial. Ms. Ward, would you put your name on the record, please?
Alicia Ward.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the officer did appear. My client wishes to avail herself of the recommendation and tender a plea to a delayed sentence in this matter, and she needs time to pay.
And Officer Ray Hopkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Hoskins, Detroit Animal Control, badge number 44.
We didn't hear that. Can you do it one more time? It's a little low.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, Detroit Animal Control, badge 44.
Thank you. Ms. Ward, you want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes.
Okay. If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Your other right hand. There you go. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Bro,
It's skipping.
I know it's freezing a little bit. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, Ms. Ward. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 21st of 2021. Were you in the area of 18720 McCormick in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, and in that area, do you own a dog?
Yes.
And did your dog get off the leash or was not on a leash at some point in time?
Yes.
And did that dog go off your property off the leash?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well as plea to fail to provide a leash for the dog and on this particular matter. Same thing for you, Ms. Ward. It's a 12-month delay sentence. That means if you don't have any new dog tickets or anything like that, in 12 months, this matter will be dismissed off your record, okay? But I'm going to assess the fine today. Are you currently employed?
No.
Are you looking for employment?
Yes.
Do you need help looking for employment?
No.
I set the fine in the amount of $240. And you have 12 months to pay it. That's $20 a month. You think you can come up with $20 a month to pay the fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you start now and pay $20 a month, by the time we have our next court hearing, you will have paid the complete fine on finding you today, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna set the fine $240. We're gonna have a review date a year from now. So that's gonna be January 9th of 2023. You will get some notice about this though, okay, Ms. Ward?
Okay.
Come in that day, no new tickets like this. You pay my $240 fine and you'll be all set. This matter will be dismissed off your record, okay?
All right.
All right. January 19th. I'm sorry, January 19th. I apologize. You gotta have good clerk to catch it. January 19th, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ward. Have a good day. Thank you, officer. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Womack, I'm gonna call your matter next, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of People versus Marquita Womack. This is case number SP 11021113. Count 1, speeding 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, improperly displayed dirty obscure plate. Also calling ticket number SP 11021151. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Ms. Womack, who's here for a hearing and arraignment on the bench warrant. We'd ask that all warrants be set aside. She continues to plead not guilty and waives a formal reading.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. Any bench warrants that are outstanding at this time will be recalled.
Ms. Womack indicates that according to the recommendation, they want her to attend the Michigan Defense Driving Program. She's agreed to take the class. However, she wants the court to know that she did have all documentation to provide to the court showing that she had satisfied the registration and whatever. But I told her, be given her driving record and the fact that she had a moving violation, that it would be best for her to appear to do the driving class. Is that correct, Ms. Womack?
Yes, yes.
Ms. Womack, keep all of that documentation. So what's happening is that the prosecutor wants you to take this class, and based on that, then he'll be able to make a recommendation on how he wants to move forward. So keep all that documentation. That's going to be important for the next hearing as well. But as of right now, they want you to take a Michigan defensive driving class before they make that offer, okay?
Okay.
Usually that's a good thing. That means that they'll try and work with you, even if your record is not the greatest, okay?
Okay.
So to try and make sure that we don't just keep adding more and more points to your record, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
And you're gonna have to be able to say what you learned from the class to the assistant city attorney about what you learned from that class in order to get a good deal on this matter, okay?
Okay. Because the officer said that if I bring my documentations, if I change because I had the plate to the from the dealership on my plate. I didn't know I wasn't supposed to have that, and my I didn't have my insurance. My insurance had lapsed too, and I drove the truck because my dogs got out, and I was trying to go get my dogs back into the gate. My neighbor told me my dogs was out. I have a blue pit and a Australian Shepherd.
I understand, ma'am. So here's the concern. You got the documents for those two, but the greater concern is that it was the speed you used and how your driving record already looks. So that's the concern for the class, right? So you have a speeding ticket that clocked you going pretty fast in that area. So that's more of the concern, okay, right now?
Okay.
Okay, and along with the driving record, okay? So they don't want to enter your driving record anymore. They gotta see you put in a little bit of effort with this class, okay? And be able to tell what you learned from the class, okay?
Okay.
Judge, can you keep yourself a little louder? I didn't get any of that last that you said.
Which person?
The last thing I heard was your driving record and the rest was kind of really low. I couldn't hear it. I didn't hear it. I couldn't.
I know, I'm trying to see from which person though. For me? You put yourself back on mute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's real low, you know, because we don't have that microphone, so it sounds like you're in a tunnel.
Okay. I don't recall what I said. I'm sorry. I have no clue.
Oh, no, I think you were just giving her some basic instructions. The last thing was your driving record. And everything else I couldn't hardly hear. It was muffled. Sorry about that.
It's okay. I just need you to come back in 90 days, okay?
90 days. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna set this matter for April the 19th of 2022.
April 19th, 2022.
Okay, it's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. And
Okay.
I'm not gonna do anything else right now. We just wanna see if you took the class, and then based on that, I'll know how to move forward, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I am gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, you okay?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Listen, we're gonna figure this out, okay? You just gotta be patient and work with the system, okay?
Okay.
All right, all right.
Okay.
All right. You okay, Ms. Womack, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, have a good day. We'll see you back that day. Take that class. You know what? Does she need to contact the probation in order to get the information to class?
No, that's the class, Michigan, because it's
Oh,
driving that.
that class is Michigan. Did the attorney give you the actual address you need to take?
No.
Okay, it's Michigan.
Okay, come to.
Judge
And then,
Perkins.
You can't have two copies. When you have stuff going on the phone, it interferes with what we're doing in court and we can hear it. So you gotta make sure you stay on mute. Okay, I can hear whatever's going on your cell phone and it's breaking up our court hearing.
No, that was Miss Perkins, Judge. There was a lot of noise in the background.
I know. That's what I said. That's what I'm telling her.
Womack, okay.
All right. Ms. Womack, you got a sheet of paper?
Uh-huh.
It's Michigan Defensive Driving.com.
MichiganDefensiveDriving.com.
Yep, all one word. And pick the 36th District Court option.
36th District Court. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further that can please this hearing.
All right, y'all have a nice day.
You too.
That's very emotional.
Ms. Perkins Moore, will you go into room number 9 and tell Mr. Williams to come out, please?
Okay.
I think Katie is supposed to check in the breakout room for you.
Hello?
We're in here. I'm trying to get him out. He said
Oh, okay,
he
because he would, yeah.
I was trying to help.
Can I get your email address, please?
All right. Mr. Westbury, I'll call your matter next.
Yes.
I have an officer here on Westbury as well.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the matters of the people versus.
What's the first name of young Chris? Like Larry. You get a tape? Oh, I got another
People
case.
matters versus Devontae Westbury. This is you ticket 453-56218. One count of offer to engage the services of another. Ticket number U50867619. One count of license improper. Ticket number X35888569. One count defective equipment brake lights. One count no operator's license, multiple license on person. Also ticket number P97844. One count drove while license not valid for improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant in this matter, Your Honor. Mr. Westbury, state your name.
Devontae Westbury.
Mr. Westbury has been advised of the offer to plead responsible to amended charge of disorderly conduct with the dismissal of all other matters. It's my understanding Mr. Westbury does not want to take advantage of the offer. He wants to go to trial. Is that correct, Mr. Westbury?
I do got one question that I meant to ask you. Can I ask it now? Or
Yeah.
okay, look, if I take the little disorderly conduct, what do that do?
Well, first, Ms. Perkins Moore, just so you know, as I'm looking at this offer, the only officer here on any ticket is for ticket number X35888569. One count defective equipment brake lights, one count no operator's license, multiple license on person.
So based on what the judge just said, the other officers have failed to appear, Mr. Westbury, those matters would be dismissed. The matter that the judge just indicated to you be the matter that you would plead to. Would you like to take advantage of that offer?
And if he needs a moment to talk to you, he can. Officer,
That's fine.
Tara Lynn, can you state your
Yes, ma'am.
Can you state your name for the record?
Trooper DeFralia, Michigan State Police.
And those charges, again, Your Honor, can you tell me what those three charges were?
One of them was a warn and dismiss, as I'm looking at the ticket, the defective equipment brake. You warned and dismissed that, or warned him on that one. So it's just no operator's license, multiple license on person. The offer can be failed to display a valid operator's license. The other officers didn't show up for the rest of the ticket. So you can have a moment. I'll do, did he come onto the screen yet? Okay, he didn't come onto the screen yet. I was gonna say, you can take a moment if you need to go back. Mr. Westbury, I just gave her that information. She's gonna explain it to you. We're gonna put you back into a breakout room together. So, I think you were in, what does it matter now?
3.
Okay, we're gonna put you into room number 3, and she's gonna join you in that room, okay?
Okay.
Go back to room number 3. You see how to join the room number 3?
No, last time something pop up. Do I where it say join breakout room?
Yep,
Click on.
it's join breakout room, okay? And she's gonna talk to you
Okay.
about it. All right. All right, can you hold tight for me, officer, please? Hopefully we can make a resolution soon.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Should I mute my microphone or unmute it or can't hear nothing?
We can hear you, Mr. White. You're okay. You were asking for some assistance or wanting to join a breakout room. Please tell me why.
I know you said it was gonna take some time. I didn't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'll just go back to the breakout room.
White.
I
No,
apologize.
I called you out of the breakout room. Mr. White, you gotta learn to be patient, okay? Good things come to those who wait. And if we tell you, it's for a reason, okay?
I apologize. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Mr. White. Can you show your picture? We're gonna actually call this matter right now, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, Mr. Westbury wants to take the plea, Your Honor.
Okay, and I'll bring him back out too. And I'll do Mr. White really quickly, okay? This is the matter of the people versus Lil White. This is ticket number P11952219. One count leave scene of accident property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And sir, can you state your name for the record?
Khalil White.
This is a daytime set for a bench trial. It's now 10:24 a.m. How do you wish to proceed, Ms. Attorney Perkins Moore?
Your Honor, has the officer appeared?
They have not.
Okay, we would make a motion to, Linda Perkins Moore on behalf of the defendant. Good morning, sir. We would make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
At this time, being 10:25, is there any officer here for the Khalil White matter? Any officer I overlooked for this matter? Hearing none, the court is going to grant that motion and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. White, they can refile this matter, but Mr. White, you're in court. I know we're online, but you're in court, okay? They can refile this if they want to, but as of today, it's dismissed. Okay, Ms. Perkins Moore, you got to mute yourself when your phone is going off because it throws the court recorder off and she can't hear when you do that. You have to, I understand you might be in other court matters, but you got to remember to mute it or else she's not gonna be able to hear it, okay?
At all.
Right.
It completely drowns it out.
I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, Mr. White. That means that you're all set for today, but they can refile it if they want to, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Mr. White, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day, sir. Come in there, get you.
Okay.
There's an attorney in there to get you, sir. You gotta pay attention. Are you ready, Attorney Moore?
There you go. All right, we see. Okay.
I can't hear.
I know, can you hear us now?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna call this matter real quick because your phone is about to die.
Yes, ma'am. I was trying to set up another phone, but
It's okay. This will be real quick, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Joseph Williams. This is ticket number P1194176. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Unmute, Ms. Moore. Remember, I had to mute you.
Good morning. I'm sorry. Linda Perkins Moore appeared on behalf of Mr. Williams, Your Honor. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Joseph Tremaine Williams.
Your Honor, the matters are scheduled for trial today. It's my understanding the officer did not appear. We would make a motion to dismiss.
Right. The
Yes,
time
ma'am.
is now 10:29 a.m. Is there any officer present here on Joseph Williams matter? I don't see any. None have checked in. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter because of no officer. I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice. That means they can refile it if they want to. But as of today, you're all set, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome. You can go ahead and sign off, sir.
Yes, ma'am. All right, sign off.
Thank you. Mr. Westbury, we're ready for your matter now, okay?
All right.
Recalling the matter of the people versus Devonta Westbury. This is ticket number X3588569. One count, no operators license, multiple license on person. Also calling ticket number P978444. One count drove while license not valid. U ticket 508676619. One count of license improper or improper license. And U ticket 4535621. One count of offer to engage the services of another. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Westbury, can you sit up? Act like we in court right now.
You say sit up?
There we go. There we go. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Devontae Westbury.
And Officer Trooper, can you please state your name for the record, please?
Trooper Joseph Tefrelian.
Date time set for a bench trial in this matter. How do you wish to proceed, or how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, he wishes to avail himself of the recommendation and tender a plea to a failure to display.
Is that right, Mr. Westbury?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Westbury, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
I don't know why you're breaking up a little bit. Are you okay to hear him?
I said yes.
Okay. I want to take you back to the date, sir, of September the 6th of 2019. Were you in the area of Cashew and I-94 in the city of Detroit driving a Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you stopped by a trooper?
yes,
And did you not have a license on you at that time?
no, I didn't.
Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of failure to display. On the remaining tickets that were set for a bench trial today, the court is going to dismiss those without prejudice because the officers did not appear. So I'm not making that a permanent plea. Those are just dismissed without prejudice because the officers didn't show up. Sir, I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I mean, 30 days, pay a day.
Is that gonna be enough time for you, Mr. Westbury? I'm making sure.
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna have it do no $200 due no later than 2/21/22, okay?
okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Westbury.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Officer. Be trooper. Be safe out there, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have, okay, so we just have Wooten, who else is in here? Wooten, right? Tyree Wright and Daniel Walker.
Okay, I don't have anything for Daniel Walker, but I do have Sylvester Wright and
Oh, okay, I know, you shouldn't have anything for them. Also, we have somebody who's newly signed on, Miss Alicia Williams. You can start going talking to those folks though, we'll get the other ones together.
okay, what about Miss Wootson Murray? She's here, she has documents. She's here for a pretrial.
Did she show you the documents?
No,
Okay. They're asking her to pay for the tinted windows. Does she have, ask her, does she have a prescription for the tinted windows?
yeah, she said she had proof that she fixed the window.
Oh, okay, let me,
Mr. Holland?
Ms. Wooten Murray?
Yes.
All right, I've been told that you have some documents for these different things.
Yes.
All right. Do you have them physically with you today?
Yes, I do.
You able to show these documents or send them over to the court so we can see them?
Okay. Yeah. So he told me to show the registration, which is right here. Can you see it? Huh?
Just keep talking so I can be able to, 1/12/2022.
Yeah, and my appointment with the Secretary of State is this Friday at 2:50.
So you're not driving right now, right?
Pardon me?
You're not driving right now then.
I didn't hear you.
I said you're not driving right now then, right? Because it's 1:19.
No, I'm not driving the car.
Okay. And then let me put it back up so I can see what type of car that was.
It's a Dodge Charger right here. Do you see it?
Okay. All right, and then what about the tinted window?
Yeah, I have the pictures right here. He told me to. So this is one up. This is the driver's side. And then this one is the passenger side. And I just took a picture of the front window just in case, but I don't have 10 on the front window.
All right, so you fixed that, that's afterwards, so you don't have that tint in your windows anymore?
No.
Okay, all right. You ready, Miss Sandy? Okay. Calling the matter of the people versus Kimber Wooten Murray. This is ticket number P11900057. Count 1, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield, more than 4 inches. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Miss Wooster Murray, Your Honor.
Ms. Murray, can you state, Wooten Murray, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, it's Kimber Wooten Murray.
All right, Ms. Murray, can you stop moving for just 1 minute? I know that you may have someplace that you need to be, but for this second.
Yeah, I'm in my office now.
All right, this is the date and time set for Raymond, I believe. This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Ms. Wooten Murray has showed the court a registration that was at least valid until 1/12/2021 concerning this vehicle. And she also did show pictures from her fixed vehicle of the tinted windows on the side and driver's passenger side, and she showed me a front picture, but it was from the side and passengers. It did not appear that she had the tint in her windows anymore. So the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice today. Make sure you get that insurance up to date for the vehicle before you drive it again. Otherwise, you'll just get another ticket. And guess who your judge will be?
Yeah, I didn't get an appointment to this Friday at 2:50. So
I know, I remember faces, okay, Ms. Murray?
okay.
So I'm gonna dismiss this without prejudice for compliance, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. You can go talk to the other two. I know Mr. Sylvester Wright wants a trial, so we're gonna have to do that. But Trey Wright, and did you get my message about him?
No, wait, let me look, Your Honor. The chat,
There's only one officer here on the ticket, and that's on the P10789114.
okay, I don't have any type of offer for him or anything.
We just discussing the system.
I don't have any offer on, I couldn't hear what you said.
I'm sorry, we're being invaded by aliens right now. Hold on a minute. Okay, on that one case, but I'm gonna have, I know Mr. Goff is on. I'm gonna have him actually talk to the officer on that case. So just go talk to Trey Wright. And I'm gonna figure out Daniel Murphy. Alicia Williams?
Yes.
All right. I saw that you signed up. Why were you late?
Hers is a show cause, Your Honor.
I know. And she has some bench warrants out there. You may not have those, but we have them. Miss Alicia Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're going to put you into what's called a breakout room. Attorney Perkins Moore has about 4 matters in front of you, but she's gonna come in there and talk to you about your cases today and your rights and what's going on. No one's gonna be in that room with you. You'll be in that room all by yourself, but I promise you'll come in there and talk to you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing because they keep breaking through on the phones telling us they testing security, so alarms are going off in the building. I apologize if y'all hear alarms, we're okay, they're just testing stuff, but they keep interrupting me. I see you laughing at me, officer. Okay, so, Ms. Williams, I'm gonna put you into that breakout room, just hold tight in there, and she'll come in there and talk to you. I'm putting her in room 2, join room 2.
For you to give you some time to do that.
Okay. Attorney Goff, can you hear me? I want to put you into a room with Officer Brandon so you can talk about this matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into room 1 with him. Officer Brandon, go into room 1 to talk about this ticket and see what you remember, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Your
thank
Honor,
you.
you want me in breakout room 2?
I don't know if you have anything on Miss Williams yet. Can you go talk to Trey Wright and see what he's gonna do?
Okay, what room is that?
Room 11.
Okay.
I saw the officer pop up, that's why. Mr. Corporal Rule, I saw you pop up. You here on Trey Wright?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm trying to have him go talk to you.
Okay.
You can see in the back.
Did you already talk to Ms. Williams? Miss Attorney Perkins Moore?
No.
Ursuline Williams, Ursuline Williams.
Number 2?
No, Ursuline Williams, the one on the screen right now. Did you talk to her already?
No.
I don't see anybody on the screen.
I know, you probably can't see it. Ms. Williams,
Uh-uh.
did she talk to
I
you
talked to
already?
Trey.
No.
I have
Why
not talked.
in the room, then she's not gonna be able to talk to you in here either.
No,
So why-
I was in the breakout room, then my phone dropped. Then I came back on and it dropped again. Now I just got on my computer.
Okay, all right, we can put you into a breakout room so she can come in there and talk to you. So I'm gonna put you into breakout room number 3.
Okay.
Join that room. Okay, Ms. Perkins Moore, I still have you. You need to talk to, you should have the offer on Ms. Williams. The officer is here.
This is actually training.
Okay, yep. And then you want to be here for that?
I don't have an offer for Williams, Your Honor.
Franklin Williams. All right, I'll have it resent to you.
Okay. And I'm ready on Trey. Trey Wright is ready for a plea.
Okay, all right. Did you check your email for the
Yeah, I'm looking now.
Okay, all right. Mr. Sylvester, right? Okay, all right. Officer Nelson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Okay?
That'll be fine.
Hi, officer.
Okay. That's the right matter. You ready, Miss Sandy? All right. These are the matters of the people versus Sylvester Wright. This is U ticket 566999720. One count of entering without owner's permission. U ticket 526-56719. One count of entering without owner's permission. U ticket 596-31721. One count of entering without owner's permission. And U ticket and regular ticket P1078914. One count entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Mr. Wright.
Mr. Wright, can you state your name for the record? Unmute yourself. We can't hear you, sir, for some reason. You're unmuted. Can you turn up the volume? Can't hear you, Mr. Wright. You have anybody there who can help you? Can you try and help him turn the volume up on the phone for us, please, so we can hear him? It's okay, I'm gonna tell him what numbers. He knows how to get on Zoom. Don't worry. Tell me when he's ready for the numbers. It's okay, don't get frustrated, Mr. Wright. I see him trying. Calm down. Just take a deep breath. It's okay. It's okay. I see whoever that is helping you. Just take a deep breath. Nothing's gonna happen.
Sandy. Very. That's-
Mr. Wright, it's okay. It's okay. Take a deep breath. I'm not, do you hear me angry or upset? I know technology doesn't always work the way we need it to, but somebody's there assisting you. Just tell me when he needs to have the Zoom code and I'll give it to him so you can sign on that way. Talk, Mr. Wright. You need the number? Okay.
No.
360-337-0000. All right, Mr. Wright, can you hear us now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there you go, Mr. Wright. I logged you off the other system, okay? All
Yes,
right.
yes,
State your
yes,
name
ma'am.
for the record.
Sylvester Wright.
All right. Thank you, whoever that was that assisted him. I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am. That was my little nephew.
Okay. And officer, can you state your name for the record?
Officer Brandon, badge 513.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial on all of these matters. I have one officer who is present today, Officer Brandon, and that's on ticket number P10788914. But I believe that we are not proceeding on this particular matter today. Is that correct, Officer Brandon?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what that means, Mr. Wright, is that they are not proceeding on this matter because it was a part of the governor's. Is that what it is? Part of the governor's order. But I do, and the other matters called on the docket today, no officers are present. So those matters will be dismissed without prejudice because the officers did not show. This matter, did you want to state your name for the record? This matter will be dismissed without prejudice because of the governor's order. Mr. Wright, I do have a question though.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
housing at this time?
Pardon me?
Are you okay with housing? Do you need assistance with housing or anything like that?
No, ma'am. I'm good on that. Like I keep saying, that wasn't none of me in that building. I swear to God, it wasn't me.
Okay.
That was
All
my
right.
brother.
Oh, I think we did have a discussion about it.
See, I can't read it. He know all my information, so he used my name instead of his name.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wright. Well, all of these matters are being dismissed today. So
Thank you.
you're all set. Okay, I'm sorry about that. But you're all set. Okay, all of these matters were dismissed today.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you for your patience. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Have a good day.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good.
Thank you, Officer Brandon.
Thank you, Officer Brandon. Okay, which way? Sandy. Miss Sandy, you ready? Okay, I see. This is the matter of the people versus Purslane Williams. This is ticket number P11326062. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record?
Purslane Williams.
All right, I also have an officer. Officer, can you state your name for the record?
Nelson Badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, talking to Miss this Roslyn, is it Roslyn Williams?
It's Purslane Williams.
I'm sorry, I keep mispronouncing your name.
Let the
That's
officer
okay.
talk, Attorney Perkins Moore. No, oh, good. No, go ahead, Ms. Perkins Moore.
Okay, yeah, Ms. Williams, the officer has appeared, so will not be dismissed. They've agreed to amend it to an improper place. Do you want to take advantage of that offer and plead to improper plate?
Improper plate for somebody driving my car. I don't even have that car. You said what?
Your Honor, it's scheduled for trial. She's saying that I guess she's saying she's not guilty, so I guess we'll proceed to trial.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the city of Detroit. Your Honor, at this time.
Hold on a second, 1 second. Go repeat what I said.
May it please this Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the city of Detroit. Your Honor, at this time, the city moves for dismissal in this matter.
No objection.
All right, at this time, that motion is granted. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Williams.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Tay.
All right. Trey Wright.
Be back. See you at 1:30.
Yes.
Put your picture up and quote the rule, if you could do the same.
You want me to go where, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Yep, I just want your picture up. Mr. Wright,
Okay.
Trey Wright, if you could show us your picture, please. No. Can you see us? Can you hear us, Mr. Wright?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can hear. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, I just can't see it. Oh, there you are.
Your Honor, I wasn't able to connect with him in the breakout room.
He was breaking up like he is right now.
Right.
Okay. Mr. Wright, can I give you a phone number to call? You can call back that way.
How do you need my number?
No, I'm going to give you a phone number to call in, so you can call in to Zoom that way, since we're having some audio connection issues.
Okay, what's the number?
All right. Call 929 436 2866.
2866.
Yes.
And do I just call it like a regular number?
Yep. And then it's gonna ask for your meeting ID, and I'm gonna give you the meeting ID.
by pound. You have not entered it.
Oh,
Please re-enter your meeting ID.
what's the meeting ID number?
360
Uh-huh,
337
uh-huh.
0000.
Enter your participant ID followed by pound. Otherwise, just press pound to continue.
Just press pound.
You are in the meeting now. There are 11 participants in the meeting.
All right, I'm gonna hang you up from this one.
Okay.
All right, can you hear us okay, Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to put you into a breakout room. It's automatically gonna move you there. Then Miss Perkins Moore is gonna come in there and talk to you about your matter, because I have an officer on right now, so we're trying to handle this matter, okay?
I already talked to Miss Perkins Moore. I'm supposed to been pleading to a failure to show license.
Oh, you did hear me. Okay. Okay.
All right, we can do that then, okay? Let me call this matter record, and then I'm gonna have you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wright.
You're welcome.
This is the matter of the people versus Trey Wright. This is ticket number P1077132. 1 count driver's license never acquired, 1 count expired plate, 1 count no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And can you please state your name for the record, please, Mr. Wright, Trey Wright?
Trey Wright.
All right. This is the date and time set for a bench trial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail himself of the recommendation to tender a plea. Is that correct, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right. And before we move forward, Corporal Rule, can you please put your name on the record?
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct.
Thank you so much. Mr. Wright, could you please raise your right hand for me?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
They want you to make
Yes.
a report.
All right.
Okay.
I got it. Did you
Thank you.
have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, you want to move forward, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right. I want to take you back to the date of June the 2nd of 2020. Were you in the area of Finkel and Graydale Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Cadillac vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And at some point, were you put over by the police?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you not able to show a valid operator's license to the police officer who stopped you?
No, I was not able to show.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Perkins Moore?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of fail to display a valid operator's license and dismiss the other 2 counts, which are civil infractions. Mr. Wright, I'm going to assess a fine today. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long do you need to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
Okay, I'm going to give you until March the 21st of 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you as well.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
You as well, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
Stay
Officer
safe.
Rule.
See you later.
So I just have 2 left. Daniel Walker, I sent over to you. The state matters will be dismissed if he pleads to the matter for the city matter. And we sent over Alicia Williams as well. Those are the last 2 ones.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Go ahead and talk to them. I'm trying to get you out here. I see you on here, Corporal. You're my last one.
It's all good, Your Honor. I'm upstairs anyways.
Oh, you are? Okay, cool. So you just in court today. It's court life.
Yes, it is.
Okay, all right.
Are you prompting me to a breakout room, Your Honor?
Daniel Walker is in 12. Go to 12 and talk to Mr. Walker, and then
Got you. Okay, 12. 12. Okay. Nobody's responding in 12.
okay. Mr. Daniel Walker, can you press *6 on your phone for me, please? *6.
There we go.
All right, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room. I'm gonna put them to breakout room number 3, okay?
Number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Yes, yes, Mr. Walker.
How do I do video?
You can't on the cell phone. You will have to call in on the Zoom app.
Oh, yeah, I thought I did that. Okay, well, I'm here.
If you want to, did you download the app on your phone?
I don't know how to do that, ma'am.
Okay, so just stay on the phone and talk to her, okay? I'm gonna
I
put you in
will.
the room. Come in there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Go to room 3. Perkins Moore?
Yes, Mr. Wright wishes to take advantage of, Mr. Walker, I'm sorry, take advantage of the offer and tender plea, Your Honor.
He disappeared. We gotta wait for him to call back in.
Everything you said because I can't hear anything. I'm sorry. No, it's okay.
Did you get Ms. Williams' offer?
I'm looking at it now, pulling down now. What breakout room you going there with Ms. Williams? What breakout room is she in, Your Honor?
Number 2.
Okay, got it.
Mr. Walker, hold tight, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Walker? Mr. Walker, can you unmute yourself for me, please? *6.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have you put yourself on mute for and then Ms. Childs, okay? Thank you. You ready, Miss Sandy?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
These are the matters of the people first says Daniel Walker. This is case number SP 1193449, count 1, speeding 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. And count 3, no plates on trailer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Mr. Walker, Your Honor.
And
Mr. Walker.
Mr. Walker, can you state your name,
Yes.
please?
Daniel Walker.
All right. And officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes,
Daniel
Copa
Walker.
South Detroit Police Department.
Daniel Walker.
I know, Mr. Walker, we got it. Listen carefully. Can you hear us okay?
You sound like you're in the background, but I'm paying attention.
Right. Okay, I know I sound a little further away, but only answer what I'm asking and speaking directly to you. So you gotta listen real carefully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. How are we proceeding, attorney?
Your Honor, he wishes to avail himself of the recommendation and tender a plea.
Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, there it is.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Walker,
Okay.
did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, she did talk to me.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for the plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I didn't realize it's just a blockading ticket, so I can read from the actual, so I'm just gonna read from the ticket, the date of April. And on the date of April the 28th of 2021 in the area of Colbert and Park Drive in the city of Detroit, that Mr. Daniel Walker was driving a GMC vehicle and did block traffic.
No, I didn't block traffic. No, it wasn't a traffic block, ma'am.
Mr. It's just a, so Mr. Walker, I'm
Yes, ma'am.
amending the charge to blockading, okay? The real charge
Yes,
is
ma'am.
speeding. I believe speeding has points. Do you want the points?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you were blocking traffic.
Okay, well, yeah, I'm blocking traffic.
All right. You don't have to respond. I just read off the ticket. Attorney Perkins Moore, you can unmute yourself. It was a background noise. All right, satisfied? Attorney Moore?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a are the rest of them simple infractions? Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the misdemeanor to be dismissed?
Yes, stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading and dismiss the misdemeanor and the other civil infractions in this matter. The fine for blockading is $175. Typically, sir, you only have 14 days to pay that ticket. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to give you until February the 2nd of 2022 to have that ticket paid, okay, sir?
Yeah, ma'am, can I ask you a question? I just get the money on it, send it to 36th District?
I would either go online and pay.
I don't know how to do all that now. I don't know how to do all that.
Okay, can you physically come down to the building? I don't know if I will mail it in, or you can drop
Oh,
it
yeah,
off.
Yeah, I can come down there and pay it.
Okay, you can pay it on the first floor, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Walker. Thank
Can I ask you a
for-
question? Can I ask one question? I just go up there and just tell my name and it'll pop up and I can just pay it?
Yep, so when you go down to the front desk, have some form of ID ready to provide for them and tell them that you're there to pay off the ticket and it'll be in the system, okay?
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you and have a nice day.
God bless you too. You have a nice day as well. Stay safe out
All
there,
right.
Corporal.
Thank
I
you very
will,
much, Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Yes, all right, have a good day.
All right, thank you.
No problem. And Miss Alicia Walker Williams, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say, Walker. Miss Alicia Williams,
Yes.
all right, I need you to activate your camera.
Now I can hear.
These are the matters of the people versus Alicia Williams. I believe that one ticket appears on the docket for today, but the rest of the tickets are in warrant status. So the ticket that appears on the docket today is ticket number P11900037. Count 1 drove while license suspended. The rest of these matters are in warrant status. Ticket number P960804. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1114919. 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number P408172. 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. C ticket 8048061. 1 count for violation of city marijuana code. Ticket number 328021. 1 count allowing unlicensed person to drive. And ticket number P1021608. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of Ms. Williams, Your Honor. In regard to any warrants, we'd ask that all warrants be set aside. She stands mute and waives a formal reading, wherein she would like to continue her plea of not guilty and then change her plea to adopt the recommendation by the prosecutor.
And Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alicia Monique Williams.
Hi, can you hear me? I'm sorry.
This is the day. Do you want to take advantage of the offer today, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand for me, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take you back to the date of August the 31st of 2019. Were you in the area of Plymouth and Hubble Avenue in the city of Detroit driving? It would have been a Jeep vehicle back then?
Yes.
And were you stopped by the police officer on that day?
Yes.
And did you have no insurance on the vehicle at the time?
Yes.
All right. Also, I want to take your attention to the date of May the 21st of 2015. That's a while ago. Did you own at that time a Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
All right. And did you allow someone to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
All right. Did you, and they didn't have a license, correct?
Correct.
And for the record, that area was I-96 Service Drive and BRYDEN streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Finally, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 19th of 2021. Were you in the area of Livernois and Waverly Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a Chevy vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Did you get stopped by a police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Perkins Moore?
Satisfied.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive on ticket number 8172, on ticket number P11900037. That's going to be amended to failure to display a valid operator's license. And on ticket P102168, count 2, that's going to be amended to improper. Ms. Williams, all of these carry no points, okay?
Yes.
All right. And the remaining tickets that were called on the record today will dismiss.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Williams, are you currently employed?
No, ma'am. I'm on a fixed income. I receive Social Security for my daughter.
All right. I do have to assess some fines in this matter. The court cost minimum on 2 of the tickets, because we're throwing out a whole lot of the tickets, is $190. So altogether, that's $380. I'll do it on 2. I'll waive the cost on 1 of the tickets, okay?
Okay.
I'll give you 90 days to be able to pay that. Will that be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court cost minimum is 190, right? Okay, 190 on 2 tickets. I'm gonna waive 1 of the tickets, so I'm gonna put $0 at that one. And I'm gonna give you until April the 19th of 2022 to have it paid. Now, Ms. Williams, there are things called reinstatement fees. I don't have any control over those. I can't waive them. They're $45. I don't know how many you have. I don't know if you have any, but you'll have to find that out when you're paying it. You don't have to pay it at the same time, but I just want you to be aware there may be other costs that I just can't waive, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing for today. Thank you, Ms. Williams. You had
I have a question. Yes. Is that 190 each?
for each one, for 2 of the tickets. So 2 of the
Okay.
tickets, 190 a piece, right? And then
Okay.
1 ticket is waiving the cost and fine. So
Okay,
it's
thank you.
of 380 altogether, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.